Let's look at manual actions and security issues section in Google Search Console. So manual actions is something when your website has some unusual things which doesn't follow Google Webmaster Guidelines, Google Search Console guidelines. So when you have content which is not user friendly to the users who are coming, and they don't feel good about the content, like there's a lot of spam, there's the thing what you show on the website is different from what you put behind the content. The HTML contains different one and the visual contains different one, and you try to manipulate the search engine by doing some kind of spammy activities on your website. So when such activities are detected by Google, they will send a notice action to be taken at this section. So you will find here. So there is nothing wrong about my website. So everything is fine. No issues are present on my. This is something where Google will detect if something spammy happening, something wrong happening against the guidelines. So they will send the action to be taken here. Okay. Next one is security issues. So there are no security issues at the moment on the website, which is mostly related to any downloads. If you are asking users to download some spammy software, there is some hacking happening, like the hacking things which are automatically downloading onto the user. So this kind of hacking related one who try to download the softwares automatically when you visit a page. So these are security issues. The user's computer has to be very secure when they visit your page. So whenever these kind of activities are happening on a website, all those issues will be automatically detected by Google bots, and they will send a warning. Whatever issues are there, they will send warnings to our website, and you can see that in the security issues. And if you have a site like that who you make people to download software just by visiting the page, these kind of activities will be detected because that's a security threat to the user. Okay, next one is legacy tools, which is mostly to do with the old Google Search Console. So there is nothing much to talk about this. We can ignore about this one. Okay, next let's look at about links. It will show all the backlinks which are coming to your website over here, which are called as external links here. And next is internal links, which is you link to your pages on the same website. So whatever links are happening inside the website to one page to other page will be shown here. There are total 92 internal links happening, and there are total 8 links which are happening, which are coming from other websites linking to your website. Okay, so these are top linking websites you can see, and these are top linking text. The anchor text, whichever is being linked, will be shown here. Okay, so these are the internal pages from where one page is linked to another page. You can find here. Okay, next one is settings. So here, ownership verification. If at all you are the owner, and if you have ownership verification, it will show here. Next one is users and permission. If at all you want to add another user, you can add a user over here. Put the Google email, Gmail one, give the permission like full owner or restricted permission to him, and he can also look at this data. And next one is associations. So if at all you want to link this Google Search Console to Google Analytics and also Google Analytics 4, GA4, you can link it. So when you do this linking, you will get search insights, and also some of the data of impressions, clicks, what are happening over here. All this data also will be migrated to Google Analytics. In Google Analytics also you can see this Google search report also, and this is very much useful. You can do this association very easily. Click on associate and make sure you are logged into the correct Google account where you have access to the same domain Google Analytics. It will pop up here, and just click on this and click on continue, and that will be associated. Association, which is like linking both the accounts. Okay, next one is change of address. For example, if you are doing any 301 redirects, there is a old website and there is a new website, like two different domains, and you wanted to completely do a 301 redirect from one domain to another domain, you can use this option. So this is currently this website, and if you want to redirect that completely, you have set up a 301 redirection already, and you have to come to the Google Search Console of the old website and choose the new website whichever you want to redirect to, and validate and update. So once you do that, Google will start showing the new website, new domain. Okay, it will start redirecting all the users from here to there to the new domain. In the Google indexing also, all the old domain URLs will be replaced by the new domain URLs. Next, you can see crawl stats. Okay, and next you can see indexing crawler. So indexing crawler, which is like Google has two bots, which is Google bot smartphone and Google bot desktop. Google will automatically decide which bot can be chosen for indexing. For this particular website, it has chosen Google bot desktop. If I can see other domains of mine, some of the websites will have Google bot smartphone. So Google itself decides, after crawling our website extensively, it understands whichever is best, it will start crawling using that bot. Next is looking at the crawl statistics. Okay, I am opening the crawl statistics over here. So you can see here how many crawl requests have been gone through from this website per day. You can see here how many crawl requests happened. Okay, and here is the response, and here is the breakdown for that one, like by each element on our website, by JavaScript, CSS, HTML, image, syndication, by each Google bot type. So Google bots has different, like desktop, smartphone, and image has a different bot. Ads also has a different bot. So how many requests, crawl requests happened from each of this one? This is a breakup they are showing. Nothing to worry about this one. Everything looks fine. This is just the statistics it is showing. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and share this video to your friends so it reaches to more people.